Hey folks, today is August the 30th. It's currently about 10 o'clock in the morning. We're going to see if we can catch a few trades with Scalping Detector here. Want to make sure I got a little bit of an earlier start today. Let's see what the charts are looking like here. I already checked Forex Factory. We don't have any news that's going to bother us. Euro Japanese yen, obviously in a downtrend. So if we get a short setup, that could be a nice trade. Another nice downtrend. Wow. Okay, so there are several currency pairs that would do really well with a short trade. So we'll just be patient. Hopefully we'll get a few pop-ups coming here shortly. It's just 10 o'clock in the morning, so we have plenty of time to take a few trades. Be back with you guys on the first setup. All right, folks, it is now 12:05. We have a short trade set up on the Euro GBP, as you can see here. Let's check the 5-minute, just make sure we're in a nice downtrend. All right, so it does look like we are in a downtrend here. So let's go ahead and jump into this one here for a short. All right, so right now we have a 10 stop, 15 take profit. Obviously, we're going to be using these stars to exit the trade. So hopefully we'll get a nice push down. Looks like a potential level of resistance or support is going to be right here. So we should definitely be able to take profit before we hit that level. All right, I'll watch it and come back once something happens. All right, folks, just a quick update. It is now 12:36, and as you can see here, we've moved into profit a little bit. We did get a buy signal here, but it switched back over to sell after we had this nice down movement here. So we'll continue watching it. Again, hopefully we'll be able to get down into this level, and hopefully we'll start seeing some stars soon. All right, be back momentarily. All right, guys, just a quick update. You can see here we did get one star, which is right here. But when we got that star, the market had come directly to the top of the bar. It opened here, came way up here, and if I closed it there, it wouldn't even give me 1 pip. It was about half a pip. So didn't close it there. I was waiting on a second star that would hopefully give us some more profit. And as you can see, the market started going up, and at this point right now it's already gone up about 5 pips against us, so we'll keep watching it. Hopefully we'll get a second push down. Let's take a look at this. All right, so here's a sell setup. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. All right, this might be a potential trade, so let's go ahead and jump in this one. All right, 0.72641, got in exactly at that price. Stop loss is going to be 0.72741. 741, there it is. And take profit is right around 20 pips. So a little further down. Obviously, we'll manage this trade and get out when the stars tell us to here. All right, so now we're in 2 trades. Let me go ahead and mark this one up. Let's go ahead and put that there. I'm gonna have to leave in about an hour, so I want to make sure I have my levels marked. All right. I believe we got into this trade back here well, it's already marked. We can go ahead and get rid of that one. All right, so that's where we're at right now. It's unfortunate that we didn't get more of a push down here, but can't make the market do what we want. So we'll see what happens here. Now in this short trade on AUD USD. Hopefully this one will be a little kinder to us. All right, I'll be back momentarily. All right, guys, I have to look ahead now here, but let's take a look at our 2 trades. AUD USD, our short trade here. We did get our first star. Actually, that was our second star, but again, you can see it was right here, right next to our break-even level, so obviously couldn't take profit there. And at this point right now, we're in the red, so can't really do much with that. Let's take a look at the Euro GBP. As you can see, that's moving up towards our stop loss. It didn't ever really go too deeply into profit for us. We're maybe 2 pips in profit at one point. And when this star popped up, we were less than 1 pip in profit, so couldn't close it out there. So in a bit of a sticky situation right now with these 2 trades. Hopefully we'll get a nice pushback down on both of these trades here. And I'll hopefully be back about 5:30, 6 o'clock, maybe a little bit later. And I'll leave these lines here. So by the time I get back, either this line will be broken through or this line will be broken through. Same with this trade here. And let me go ahead and put a line here just so we'll know where it was. And again, this is 20 pips, take profit, 10 pips, stop. Same here. 20 pip, take profit, 10 pips, stop. So we'll know either way how much we made or lost on the trade. All right, I'll pause it and I'll be back with you guys a little bit later. All right, folks, it is 2:25. I usually leave about 2:30. And I just happened to take a look at the charts here. And look at this AUD USD trade. How about that? It looks like it got down to as much as 15 pips in profit. Not bad at all. And at present, it's currently up about 8 pips in profit. So definitely a good sign there. Euro GBP is coming down little by little. Still hasn't got back to break even yet. And you know what? I think we'll go ahead and take 10 pips here, and that's on AUD USD. Let me go ahead and mark that. All right, so we got 10 pips on AUD USD. And so now we're just waiting on Euro GBP to finish up here. All right. Get ready and head out, and I'll pause it, and hopefully when we come back this afternoon we'll see that this is pushed down for us. All right, folks, it is now 6:23, and it looks like we got stopped out of our Euro GBP trade, and it looks like it happened right here. So yeah, it looks like this is where we got taken out, and we did end up getting a pretty healthy spike down. Not sure what caused that, but it spiked down and then spiked back up, so that was pretty interesting. All right, so we had one winning trade for 10 pips, and then we had one losing trade for 10 pips. Let me go back here real quick. I think this is where we took profit on that AUD USD trade. So it looks like it was a good thing we went ahead and took profit here. I'm trying to see if we had any stars, and it doesn't look like we did. So it definitely was a good thing that we went ahead and took those 10 pips, because the market went right back up to our break-even level and has been hovering around ever since. All right, so we'll just keep all this information in mind, and hopefully tomorrow will bring a more promising